In a dot plot display, every member of a data set is represented as a dot on an x-axis. Our responses are going to be this horizontal axis here. We see that we have a 21 in the data, and that is going to be this dot here. Repeated elements get stacked on top of each other. So in a sense, they're like bars of a histogram. That's how the histogram would look. But we just have dots instead. So, let's see. We're asked to find the average of the data set. So what I'm going to use here will be the weighted average formula. Alright, so we've got 121. There are two 25s. We've got a 26, and a 27, and a 28. There's a 30, two 36s, and a single 45. Alright, that'll do it for our numerator. I accounted for all the data. And now I just want to sum the frequencies down below, so let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots. Alright, I'll just punch that in the calculator real quick. I get that the average is 29.9. So we can actually go to the dot plot and sketch where the average is. It's a weighted average, so it's going to be somewhere in the middle. It's close to 30. X bar is 29.9.